Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to show you the game Steamworld Dig 2 running through Steam on a SpaceMid K3 RISC-V SBC. So I'm not going through all the details of installing Felix86 and installing Steam. I will put a link into one of my earlier videos where I explained that. So here are the installation instructions for GL4ES, and yeah, it is advised to use a discrete GPU, but if you are like me and you don't have a discrete GPU installed with your SpaceMid K3 system, then you can try to run it with GL4ES, and you can download the library for a SpaceMid K3 from this link, and then go through the installation instructions. And this is how you start the Felix86 shell. And yeah, there's one more warning that there's currently no 32-bit thunking, so it will only work with 64-bit games or applications if you're running it just on the iGPU. So again, it is advised to use a discrete GPU. Now, let's start Steam, and I will pause the video until we are in Steam, because that will take like more than a minute. So here we are in Steam, and I did have to make some changes, or at least one change, to get the game running. So you can see I'm running it with Mango Hut at the moment, but that's not really the issue. I'm using it with the Legacy Steam Runtime. So let's see if it wants to start the game. And I'm running it with Mango Hut, so you can see the frames per second. Oh, I think Steam crashed in the background, so yeah, I'm going to restart again, and we'll be back once we are in the game. So we're trying to start the game, and you can see we're running at 60 frames per second. And you can see when it's loading things, then it might drop the FPS, but you can see once we're in the game, it's still 60 frames per second. So yeah, the good part is that we are making progress. So now we have a Steam game, although you could say it's not really like a fantastic 3D game, but I think this still looks pretty good. So we have it running at 60 frames per second in 1080p. And yeah, who knows what will happen once we get newer releases of Felix86, and yeah, I'm not really sure if the open source GPU driver for the SpaceMid K3 will help with anything, but we'll see that in the future. So I would like to thank the Felix86 team for buying Steamworld Dig 2 for me, and that also gave me the opportunity to help with testing. And yeah, I hope things will progress further. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.